Well, hello everybody. You're looking at a old GE refrigerator. That's the ice station and water station. And you see that little light that's burning in there? Uh, for some reason, it wasn't procrastination, but I wanted to have a night light in here, and I figured, well, the refrigerator light would be just about right for that night light. And anyway, this is a little cubby hole with a little bar sink. This is in our game room, and uh, the but I wanted that light to work for a night light. And so anyway, pulled the bulb out, and that's the bulb that came out of it. Of course, it's been burnt out for a long time. And I just put a 110 volt bulb in it, 4 watt. And it barely came on, so I read the fine print and found out it's 12 volt light. Well, I was able to get that from Phillips. A set of them for like $2, so about $1 a piece. But they're 6 watt, and so with one of my configurations of the Bedini, I need more wattage, and so that's the perfect bulb for that. Just wanted to explain how I came about that bulb and that configuration. And anyway, while I'm here, this is our memorabilia place for Dallas Cowboys, and yeah, we are Cowboy fans. These can lights up here, I've got to address those because each one of those lights is 150 watts, and as I haven't converted those over to LED. And then a little mural over here with my sailboat up there, and yeah, we have a theater and a massage table, and then some other equipment, and the pool table, which it's a flat spot, so we use it to fold laundry and everything with. And then coming off the game room is the pool room, and just give you a view of this area. So the way we have this managed, and that door right there goes into what we call the bar room, or the library. So kind of interesting. This is when I'm relaxing, where I like to spend a lot of time in this area. Of course, the pool gets used a lot, so. And this time of year, it doubles as a greenhouse for our plants. And I hope you all enjoy. But the these Lightalier lights have par bulbs in them, and I've got to address those. Put LED and Lightaliers. There's 2 of those. So that's my next project, to get that down. And I love this. I'd rather be sailing. Love to sail. Hope you guys are having fun, because we are, and I'll see you next trip.